Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand, the single door stylings, the glass door flower coolers, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like a 24.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 26.5 inches deep. Overall height is about like 81.5 inches tall. The good things for the unit, they come with a big lighting banner on top of it. You can swap in the pictures that you need, and also they do have the switcher on the side. You can control the lights. And they design with the swing doors, coming with the shaft close functions on it. And look in the bottoms, we can see they do have a lockers here, and also they do have a Dixel controllers. You can set in the temperature range from the 33 to the 50 degrees. And look in the behind of the units, we have the ETL sanitation stickers. And also they do have all the cost sheets and diagram information on it. Using the standard 110 plugs and all the compressor system, they mount at the bottoms. And when we open the door, let's take a look at the inner side. We can see they do have LED light strips on the one side, and the dimensions almost about like a 19.5 inches deep. So this access clearance height is about like a 54 and 1/4 inches, and the length is about like a 21 inches wide. So basically, they come with a big circling fence on top of the cinchers, and the backboard connect with all the water pipe drains. And they have the sensor capillary tubes over there to detect the temperatures. The manufacturer give you about like a full adjustable shelvings. You can just take the different heights to fit in the multiple stuffs. And this door using the double layer designs too, to keep you the better temperature maintained. And that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.